Hey Siri, create an XR clip.
Saving. You've parked at Paseo Verde Parkway, Henderson.
describe. There's magic in the air, the world has come alive. And when I see you, you make my pulse rise. I never knew
Keep up with Front.
I'd be so hypnotized to something in your touch, baby. The way your body's moving me, and I don't know where this soul will go. Oh, nobody knows. Oh, out of nowhere into my life, you walked in and you opened my eyes. Can't believe this could happen to me. Yeah, you came crashing in out of nowhere. Oh, this love is straight out of nowhere. Out of nowhere. Out of nowhere. I've never fallen in love so deep. I run, I trip, I fall. I just can't find my feet. If I don't try now, the chance will slip away. I'll bury all my doubts, and I won't be afraid. There's something I could never see. Now my
New parking monitor file. Please check.
Vehicle ahead motion detected. Lane departure. Caution, front car. Attention to pedestrians. Left front tire pressure changed. Please note.
Take a photo. Are you tired of having to choose between protecting the interior or the exterior of your vehicle? Introducing Blackview DR750X 3-Channel Plus. Now with front, rear, and interior video protection, giving your car the total coverage that it deserves. The front and rear cameras feature full HD Sony Starvis sensors, providing ultimate video quality in any condition, while the interior-facing camera uses infrared LEDs to capture clear footage even in complete darkness. Also available with our driver monitoring camera to keep you safe while driving. And for those times when you're away, you can hardwire your Blackview to enjoy the benefits of parking mode, while built-in voltage monitoring prevents the draining of your vehicle's battery. With Blackview Cloud, you'll stay connected to your car at all times, receiving push notifications in the event of an impact, while event videos are instantly uploaded to the cloud for safekeeping. Blackview DR750X 3-Channel Plus. Total dash cam protection for your vehicle.